My goal with this particular series is to create playlists so that it can all be organized. You guys can see it easier. And then to do a weekly or every 2-week update going through this document of what's primary or what's active. So there's going to be a bunch of stuff that'll end up in a parking lot essentially, because I'm only one person. I can only do so much during the week. And so what I'd like to do is eventually have some sort of prioritization in this so that we can talk through what's active, like the Frass organization or Frass movement that I'm working through and we'll talk about today, versus some of the other things that kind of continue to move but aren't primary. As far as things that I need to spend my time on. This is in addition to just working in the farm. So standard tasks like hydrating, feeding, harvesting, etc. These are things on top of that. And selfishly, this is for me to organize, throw out there, and keep folks just updated in general as we move towards this goal of 2 million harvested live mealworms per month. The final goal for that is to then take that blueprint that's there, which includes different sifting processes, different collection processes, different tools, things like that. Get that and just publish it out there.